Hey, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for trusting us in your cleanse journey, doing the 14-day cleanse. Whether or not this is your first introduction to soul, you are in the right place. Many of you have seen such huge, tremendous differences. Many of you are having a little bit of discomfort. You're having some bloating, you're having some other things going on, but I hope that you understand through all of the education that we're supporting for you guys that there are reasons why. Your body has been through so much stuff, right? In the last 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, like your body has been through a lot. Okay. And so again, this wasn't just a cleanse to have you constantly going to the bathroom, constantly having diarrhea. You know, that's what a lot of people equate cleanses with. And that's just not what we're about. It's just not what adaptogens do. Adaptogens go into your body and target what you need first. Okay. So please, hopefully you're sticking with it. The what next. Okay, so if this is your first exposure to soul, typically we have you take a health assessment in the beginning, and maybe you've even already done that. Okay, maybe a lot of the things that were on your assessment were for the detox. What you're not seeing, if you're not having a great result right now, is you're like, I'm so uncomfortable, I've had headaches, I've had this and that, but that's what a detox is, right? So you're having some detox symptoms while you're nourishing and creating balance and change inside. Okay, so I know that they're two different things, and it's hard for you to understand that if you're brand new to soul. What next? What next means, even if you have taken the health assessment already, please get with the specialist who you're working with and get the health assessment. You can also download it on your phone. It is called Soul Naturals Product Selector. Okay. What that does is it gives us a very good idea as to what is going on, again, inside of your body. Sometimes what you're experiencing and what's actually going on inside do not match up. A lot of times it is stress, it is sleep, and it is also not going to the bathroom. Those are all three so related to each other, okay? They all have to do with one another. If you're not pooping, you're stressed out, and or vice versa. A lot of times if you're too stressed out, that's causing the constipation or things like that. So we want to see what's going on inside for you, okay? Also, want you to understand the why. Hopefully you already have seen that we are so very different. We are not an MLME company. You already see that you get the wholesale price that we pay. There's no tricks. There's no, hey, if you sign up to be a VIP, or if you do this, and this, you get this. No, we want you guys to be healthy. We want you to move forward. We want you to be successful in your holistic health journey, okay? What I say with all of my clients is that my job is to get all of this stuff that's in your cupboard, your medicine cabinet, over the counter, medications, prescriptions, all of those things. We want to get those out of your home, okay? If you're on a prescription, we work with your doctor to see if we can start to reduce those medications while we start adding in the balance with the herbs, all right? So please understand that this is very, very different. Also, gut health. We've been talking a lot about it. What does that mean? It's a buzzword right now. A lot of companies use that word to sell and promote their products. However, their products do not by any means hold any value towards what gut health is. For instance, a probiotic. A lot of you did get the probiotic with the cleanse. A lot of you hopefully are going to get the probiotic with your next order, okay, with your maintenance order. As we're getting stuff out of your system, it's really important now to get good bacteria in your system. We want that good bacteria to start to cultivate in your system while we're balancing the other things, right? So you look at a probiotic. Most children's probiotics, for example, are one of the first ingredients in there is sugar. Hello? That is not good gut health. That does not promote anything good for your body or mind, okay? You will start to see too, hopefully, that as you are going through your detox and or as you start your maintenance program, that you're automatically going to start to make better decisions in your nutrition, not the other way around. Yes, we advise maybe cutting out gluten and dairy and alcohol for this cleanse, but maybe you didn't, and that's completely fine. You're not required to do that in order for the products to work. Maybe it's having, what we say is soul keeps us honest. So our herbs go in and they want to get everything out that's not great, that your body doesn't love. People are constantly eating things that they're super sensitive to. That's where a lot of these gut issues come from, you guys. It's not just a pure allergy that we're having issues. If you had a terrible allergy, you would know it. You would not be eating those things again. It's the sensitivities that people continuously eat and eat and eat and eat and eat, and you get bloating, you get inflammation, you get moody, you get angry, like all of those things when you continue to eat things that you're super sensitive to. So having the probiotics is going to be huge. Adding cinnamate. If you haven't heard about cinnamate yet, cinnamate helps with inflammation, digestion, energy, blood sugar management, cravings, all of those things. I have a very, very, very low blood pressure because I'm extremely healthy. When I go to the doctor, they're like, oh my gosh, is something wrong? And I'm like, no, I'm healthy. So I typically used to wake up feeling very foggy, if you will, just, because my blood pressure is so low. So first thing I do in the morning is I wake up, I come down, I make my cinnamate, I drink it, I poop, and then I go about my day. It's literally how it goes every single day. I do take Fast Track and Omnitox every single day. I have terrible sinuses and allergies, and so I was on so many medications, you guys. Years and years and years and years and years of medications for, allergies, eye drops, Flonase, all of those things. I now take zero medications. I take the Omnitox because I know for sure people that have those chronic infections, it's because there's candida, okay? And candida grows and thrives, especially with sugar and all of these other products that are out there that have the ingredients and fillers and all of those things. So, I take Clear every day. That's the one for most people can get away with just taking that for allergies and things like that. But I do take it. Also, with being a gut health specialist, I don't have a problem going to the bathroom, but I know how important it is to keep my digestive tract clean. So I take Omnitox and Fast Track. I take Clear every day. I take Neuro-IM. Neuro-IM is our unbelievable, it's a 10 mushroom blend. It re-stimulates nerve growth factor. I was very, very worried that I had early onset dementia, like no joke. I had plenty of years of very heavy drinking and other things. And so I thought I was doomed. And 5 days into taking our Neuro-IM, I could remember what I was saying. My brain wasn't working faster than my mouth, all of these crazy, awesome things, right? So everybody has a different story. Everybody has a different reaction to the detox. Everybody has different needs, right? There is no product out there. There is no one shake fits all. Trust me, I came from one of those companies before I was doing this, back when I didn't know a whole lot. Those types of approaches end up making people even more sick. Maybe it works in the beginning, maybe it works for a while, but like for myself, and I had hundreds and thousands of people, honestly, that ended up with, anxiety and more inflammation and pain and joint pain and all of those things. Okay. So we are an integrative marketing company, which means that it's mostly practitioners, naturopaths, master herbalists, aromatherapists, clinical aromatherapists. And so we're kind of the first, my team specifically is the first kind of team to be doing this online, which is awesome because we can reach all over the country. We opened Canada. We just now are opening Mexico. And so it's integrative marketing, meaning that, we don't have those icky things. We're not going to be like, hey, if you join my team, then you can do this, this, and this. You can join our team if you're interested in joining our team, but we're never, ever going to be icky about it. And I think you see that, how we present ourselves is very professional. This is a very different approach than what you probably have tried in the past. So if you're also, seeing a functional doctor, a practitioner, if you do anything with energy work or muscle testing or any of those things, if you don't know what I'm talking about, completely fine. But if you do, have it tested. If you know how to test yourself with the products. They will always test higher than the other products that are out there. We do have essential oils. We do have the essential oils that are already in rollers. Our essential oils are already blended. Our formulator is the vice president of NAHA, which is the National Association for Holistic Aromatherapy. All of our products are safe for kids and adults. I work very specifically with children. If you are interested in seeing that, we have a children's group. It's called Little Souls. You may add yourself into there. You will see hundreds and hundreds of families in there. You'll see lots of kids going live with their parents. I do video chats like this with kids all of the time, specialize in sensory processing disorder, ADHD, emotional and behavioral needs, all of those things. Right now is a really good time for you to get your kids started on herbs, okay? Even if it's just Vital and the probiotic, whatever that looks like, getting that into their system right now, especially while this is the new normal, you will see a huge change in not only their behavior and emotions and just ability to reason and kind of stay calm and balanced, but also focus and sleep and all of those things. And so feel free to please, please, please ask any questions right here under this video. That is my joy and passion project with Soul, is the littles. Okay. So long story short, I could go on and on and on. I'm trying to see how long this is already. Please get with your specialist. Please fill out the health assessment. Okay. If you ordered in April, you're able to call in and have them move up your auto ship date. It just has to be like every 30 days, but they know that we have so many people that we're doing the 14-day cleanse. So as long as your order was in April, we can call it in. Specifically, I was speaking with Maria in our customer service department. So that's awesome. If you're not on auto ship yet, please, please, please take advantage of that, you guys, because you get rewards every single time you order. Either way, you always get the wholesale pricing. Like I said, always take advantage of free shipping. Some people choose the faster shipping. And it's actually, Mia, you want to come on? Mia, my dogs take Soul also, you guys. We don't do any meds. We don't do any heartworm or any of that stuff because what's the common denominator for dogs? Most of them die from cancer, and they all take those medications. So we don't do that in our homes. Also with our kids, no gummy vitamins, no whatever. Sorry, she totally interrupted what I was thinking now. Anyways, so make sure that you're doing that. Make sure that you're getting everything, followed up. Make sure you're on the auto ship. Make sure you do the free shipping. It comes much faster than the faster shipping. We're super excited just to have you here. If you're not a part of our larger communities, let us know about that. Like I said, the kids community is called Little Souls. The pets community is called Soul Pets. And then we have Soul Naturals experiences where most of our practitioners are. You'll see things, much more serious needs, kidney disease, liver, all of those kinds of things, cancers, things that are very, very, very serious and important, thyroid issues, things like that. You'll see thousands and thousands of testimonies and stories, and you can ask questions in there as well. Otherwise, Find Your Soul is kind of our team's little hub. We started it in October of 2017 with, I think, 30 people, and we now have 3,500 people in there. So this is the real thing. This is the right thing. You're in the right place. And so we really, really appreciate you. Again, you can download the product selector on your phone, Soul Naturals product selector. Otherwise, please get with your specialist specifically so that they will get the results and they will see that and they can go over it with you. We do like to check in a lot. If you've been in this group, you probably haven't been stalked super crazy by your specialist, but maybe you have, which is awesome. But we really like to check in as often as possible, especially because sometimes people don't like the taste of things. You probably experienced that a little bit. Either people love Vital or they hate it in the beginning, but they do end up loving it and craving it, actually, just because your body responds and just sucks up that nutrition. I promise that if you finish the cleanse and you run out of products, you're going to know it right away. So just make sure you're staying on that maintenance and just checking in with your specialist as often as possible. We're also going to send out the form that we did in the very beginning. I do want you to go ahead and comment under this video when you have taken the health assessment, because we're going to do another big prize giveaway, okay? So please, please, please just comment below of health assessment finished and then tag your specialist. And then on Sunday, we will do another giveaway for you guys. It'll be a little bit of a bigger prize, okay? And then what I think we'll do is we'll do one more big prize once everybody has their maintenance orders in. So thank you again for being here. I was trying to go live and for some reason it wasn't working. I have no idea why do they do all these updates. It's just I want to go live. I don't want to click 100 different things and get a key. And I don't even know what that means. But anyways, thank you so much for being here. You guys have been totally amazing. And we still have a number of days left, so don't give up just quite yet. And we will see you through the weekend.